Money should be attracted, not being chased. I will be sharing to you the route to money making. Alright, starting with my name is Shorkan Daniel. I'm a financial advisor, a resume expert, and a career development coach. Also, I write academic researches in projects, dissertations, and theses. Let's get to it. When you talk about money making, there is a rule and two principles you must follow. The rule that you must follow in making money is first, don't chase money. Well, that seems odd. Why would you not chase what you need? And that's because of these two principles I'll be sharing with you right now. The first principle is get knowledge in order to build capacity. And this talks about you being able to give out value as a person. Now, the exchange of money, you being able to get money should come with attraction. Money should be attracted, not being chased. Alright, the second principle is get to build platforms. And the most amazing way to build platforms is getting to reach people and connect with people. You don't need to really partner with a company, partner with people, work with people. And when I say people, these are the people you see around, your friends, your family, your relatives. Get to connect with people, share ideas with them, get to solve their problems. And that's what education does to you. When you go to school, it builds you to be able to provide solutions. Not only to provide, but to cite problems. Because it's not a normal thing to be able to cite problems. So education empowers you to cite problems and solve that problem by reaching people. So with these two principles of one, getting to build capacity in being educated, in finding knowledge, right? And then with that, create platforms by connecting with people. That's the second principle. Alright, do not just leave, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is once again Shorkan Daniel. Let's talk about finance and academics, skyrocket your academic journey, and indeed build financial advancement. I'm ready for you. Let's get on this journey. Subscribe.